G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 12 Melody Avenue in the popular Bayside suburb of Kawungan. As usual, there's a bit to take in. Let's go take a look around. This well-maintained brick and tile home was built around 1992 and has been tastefully renovated with recent improvements including freshly repainted both inside and out, and the tile roof has been repointed and painted along with having new vinyl plank flooring laid throughout. The home is perfectly positioned on a spacious 712 square metre allotment, easy walking distance to the popular Kawungan State School at the end of the street, and you've got that lovely parkland across the road as well. You'll also enjoy the convenience of being only a short drive away from the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD and essential amenities including Pialba Place Shopping Centre, the Hervey Bay RSL Club, Anaconda, BCF, Bunnings, Stockland Shopping Centre, hospitals, the golf course, Esplanade and the beach. Upon entering, you'll immediately notice the open, light-filled design as you've drawn through to that open plan dining area with the kitchen off to the side. The kitchen offers ample bench preparation and storage space as well as a pantry. Appliances include a 4-burner gas cooktop with a range hood, a wall oven and a dishwasher, perfect for everyday meals and catering for those special gatherings with family and friends. Stepping outside, you also have an expansive covered outdoor entertaining area overlooking the private backyard with a cubby house for the children to play while you enjoy your morning cuppa, along with a cool beverage of an afternoon while basking in Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Stepping back inside, you've got that large sunken lounge or living area with reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which will be ideal for relaxing while watching your favourite television series along with the latest movie releases. This home does include 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. One even includes a feature rock climbing wall. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning, a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom includes a shower, vanity and a bathtub along with a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation is covered by a single garage with internal access into the home. Plus there is side access to the rear of the property along with space to the front to accommodate a large RV, caravan or boat. And the energy conscious will appreciate the 6.4 kilowatt solar power system. Homes as well finished as this one in this location and price point are in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.